naye
Yes.
kubanga tugenda kwongera okubanga tufuna ebizibu ebimu.
Ate Ella ekirala kyolina okwongerako awo nti no waliwo lifespan that you may not be able to go with me to the next season. Your season is now.
Yes.
I'm in the limelight.
Yeah.
But if I travel and I go to America, maybe your season yakoma wano e Kampala.
Kati awo omuntu wakuloga ng'onyiiga.
Ngamba ku lifespan ya friendship. It grows and dies. Yeah. That's why we were saying that the people that you are with in primary, mwakoma P7 party. Then while we were up to now, I have friends that are still my very, very good friends.
And you're still meeting new people.
And I'm still meeting new people. Yeah. And you get, so there are lifespans. There are people you met there, and you like, oh my God, you click, you had a good time, and that friendship stops that day.
Yeah.
So we have to know lifespans. And you also have, before you open up to someone, because me, I've seen this happen, before you open up to so-called friends that they bugu you, you have to take a step. It's like a relationship. All these are relationships. Before you start, opening up to your man, there are certain things and conversations you must have to build that trust. There are certain things after the trust has come, what you can easily talk about. Me up to today, I tell my man, me that one, I can't tell you. Ntino bankwanye, omusajja nsindikide 8 million on my phone, manya, it's my birthday. There are things I cannot tell him because I have to protect it. No.
Me I tell my man, nemulaga ne message, baby jangola. Tasobola kuntema musajja wange yava mu ggulu. My hey, God save
him. Wange yavawa. Mine is a kingdom spouse, by the way.
Olaba banene ba malaika aida be yalaba nga genze mu ggulu. Owanga ali omu kwabo.
Akuweka.
Ateka kubega wano.
It's okay. But what I'm saying is that we have to know what conversations with who. Kubanga, some conversations are very heavy for someone. I may not be able to converse certain things about houses and building with Ella, but I'm okay doing that with you. Yeah, because it is heavy. Or you know, kumanya, is there heart away in get here? Because you're building, you have land, you've just seen a plane, you're going to buy a jet, or even just you have a play here. They've given you a small contract. Nazimba.
There's a friend of ours, Bamuzi said 2 days ago. Yabadde agenda travelinga. Yes, ngagenda travelinga. Ng'atunze ebintu eby'omu dduuka. Era ndowooza agambako kyaliwo nti nfunye obusente bwe buti.